The breaking news from the White House tonight, and this directly impacts your financial future.
It certainly does. President Donald Trump today calling for deep tax cuts for businesses and major changes to your taxes. ABC Action News anchor Paul Legron is here to walk you through it. Paul?
Yeah, here we go. Let's go to school, guys. I want you to look at these three numbers: 10, 25, and 35. Those are the new tax rates that are being proposed by the Trump administration. The question is, will it lead to more money in your pocket? Watch.
We will have a massive tax cut for businesses.
In a town known for making big promises,
families in this country will also benefit from tax relief to help them with child and dependent care expenses.
Words in Washington come cheap.
This is not just about large corporations. Small and medium-sized businesses will be eligible for the business rate as well.
Tonight, as the White House unveils its new tax plan,
families in this country will also benefit from tax relief to help them with child and dependent care expenses.
It's the details.
We will lower the business rate to 15%.
That come with a price.
This isn't going to be easy. Doing big things never is.
Basic questions like what are the income brackets and what about the marriage penalty were met with this response by the president's chief economic advisor.
You're going into very micro details.
But it's precisely those micro details that matter the most, as Professor Luke Richardson at the USF Muma College of Business explains. This sounds like trickle-down economics. Is that what this is?
You know, I think some would argue that. I think people should ask for some sort of evidence, something that would point to the fact that tax cuts for those that are in a position to make hiring decisions, production decisions that impact everyday individuals, will that translate? Will that person reinvest in the business? Will they increase your wages? Will they? And that's the question.
Questions that right now the White House doesn't have answers for.
As again, we are in constant dialogue with the House and the Senate. As Secretary said, we're holding a bunch of listening groups right now. All right, so back to these numbers tonight: 10, 25, 35, the new tax rates. And while the White House has not made clear yet which incomes fall under these new proposed rates, there's late word tonight on other key details of the plan, that it would double the standard deduction for individuals, allowing you to write more stuff off. Also, the top tax rate there of 35%, that's actually a 3.6% decrease from today's rate. And there are plenty of gifts for the rich in this plan, including eliminating the inheritance tax. All of this, though, now being negotiated with Congress.